And now number 2 is also client related, and this happens quite often. I call it driving the bus. Who's driving the bus? Is it you or the client? So I get a call. This is an example, and it just happened like a week ago. I talked to the potential client on the phone for the first time, and she thinks that she needs X, Y, and Z done with her books, but she's not a bookkeeper, so she doesn't really know what she wants done or what she needs. She thinks she does, but then what you need to do over time is this art form of asking the right questions, getting a sense of what their business is about and what it is they really need, not what they think they need, but what they really need. And then sometimes it's going to be some choices between a couple different options, maybe a hard road and a more expensive road or an easier road. So when you're dealing with cleanups and stuff like that, there's usually more than one option. But learning the types of questions to ask the client, and so that you can determine what the client needs, that's you driving the bus. So you need to drive the bus instead of letting the client tell you what they need, and then you're doing something that maybe they don't need, and that becomes a difficult situation, and they may be paying for something that they don't need, and then they blame you for it, all this other stuff. So go down the right road, and if you're driving the bus, then you'll go down the right road, and that all comes with experience. So you get better and better over time.